I have a Maytag Centennial that is stuck on sensing.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is a Maytag model MDWC 350A0.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I thought it was the lid latch and switch, so I replaced it and I still have the same problem.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It stopped working in mid-cycle and so the tub is full of water.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you with your Maytag washer. Please give me a moment to review your question. Can you tell me if the lid is locking?
The lid is not locking and lid locking indicator is not lit.
Okay, can you try unplugging it for 90 seconds and plugging it back in?
Let me try that. I'm going to plug it back in now.
Okay.
I tried to run it and get the same results as before.
Okay, you probably have a bad shifter or lid lock. Are you willing to run a diagnostic test on it?
Although it is draining.
Okay, it has to drain before it will do anything else.
It just finished draining and now the lid locked indicator went on off and back on again. Now it is spinning.
Okay, press and hold start/pause.
For 3 seconds or more.
Maybe 5 seconds and tell me what happens.
The lid locked indicator is flashing now after holding down the button.
Okay, so if you try to start a cycle now, what happens?
Started a new cycle. Currently the machine has the sensing and lid lock indicators lit.
Is it filling with water?
Tub is filling with water now. It was 2 minutes or so before tub started filling.
Is the lid locked?
The lid is locked.
It sounds like it is working now.
I want to make sure that it goes to wash without a problem. After I replace the lid latch assembly, should I have reset the machine by unplugging it for 90 seconds? Because I replaced the lid latch assembly today.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, you need to recalibrate the machine. I will send you a video about how to do that. One moment. I would have pulled the fault codes before replacing the lid lock. Here is a video for doing that. The model in this video is different, but it is the same procedure. You may use the bar at the bottom of the knob on to determine the code. It is possible that you have a bad actuator. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals yoxpl 4 fps. Is there anything else I can answer for you?
Okay, it just switched to wash now. What would indicate that I have a bad actuator?
If you run into a bind, there is a tech sheet taped to the front of the washer on the inside. Tilt the washer back to access it. It gives you all of the info you need to test for a bad actuator or lid switch or to recalibrate. The actuator would be indicated by a basket sensor error code.
Okay, thanks for all the help.
You're welcome. Would you mind rating my service to you? Just Answer will only compensate me for my time if you rate me. A rating of 4 stars or more at the top right of your screen will allow free follow-up questions for this appliance through this link. tips, are appreciated. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.